Hey guys, my last part of my series on healthy food spots for lunches and dinners. Of course, what I'm going to share in this video are foods that taste great, are easy, and are practical and not weird or obscure. There's always new products and I come up with new ideas that I like to try and I enjoy and I'd love to share with you to help you in your healthy eating and weight loss journey. So there might be more videos on this topic later. If you missed part 1 of healthy food spots to improve your lunch or dinner, check it out that video here. Plus, I discuss food spots for breakfast and snacks in recent videos. You can get those in the description below. So let's get started. And if you haven't already done so, be sure to click on the subscribe button to get notified when I post a new video. First, use ground poultry for ground pork or beef. Ground poultry actually tastes like ground pork or beef because the meat absorbs the flavors, spices, and herbs used in recipes, and the texture of ground meat is the same in poultry or in red meat form. 100 grams of lean ground beef is 210 calories, 14 grams of fat, and 20 grams of protein. 100 grams of lean ground pork is 220 calories, 15 grams of fat, and 18 grams of protein. While 100 grams of ground turkey or chicken is 140 calories, 7 grams of fat, and 19 grams of protein. The lower calorie in ground turkey or chicken is because poultry has naturally less fat than red meat. And you can add fat back from healthier sources like oils, like avocado or olive oil in your recipe. I actually rarely use ground beef anymore. I like to know that ground turkey or chicken is lower calorie, has as much protein, and tastes just as good in taco seasoning, bolognese sauce, or mapo tofu, to name a few recipes. Do you use ground turkey or chicken? What's your favorite recipe that uses ground turkey or chicken? 2. Replacing regular pasta with high fiber white pasta or quinoa pasta. As you have heard me say time and time again, you can eat pasta and all carbs and still lose weight. Contrary to what everyone or social media, carbs at meals helps you stay fuller longer, helps prevent you from overeating afterwards from snacks like chips, cookies, chocolates, and other treats. White pasta isn't the best choice because it enters in your bloodstream quickly, which can cause you to crash afterwards. That sleepy feeling you get after a high carb lunch, and it won't keep you feeling fullest for the longest amount of time. I discussed the entire science behind this and how to prep your pasta to have you feeling the fullest, longest in my video about pasta and weight loss. You can catch that here. So back to what I was saying. You can choose higher fiber options that will keep you full and won't cause you to crash for pasta. And it doesn't have to be whole grain because not everybody likes the taste or the texture of whole grain pasta. Instead, choose pasta that has additional fiber. For example, Catelli Smart pasta tastes and looks exactly like white pasta. It has the benefit of added fiber from resistant wheat starch. 85-gram portion has about 6 grams of fiber, while the equivalent amount in white pasta is just 3 grams of fiber. Rice and quinoa macaroni or fusilli pasta from Go-Go Quinoa is another tasty option that has 6 grams of fiber for 85 grams. This is a great option if you need a gluten-free diet. I don't need to follow a gluten-free diet. I found Go-Go Quinoa very tasty, especially the macaroni shape. 3. Bulk up pasta or rice. The point of healthy eating for weight loss is to eat as much as possible while seeing the pounds drop. Who doesn't want to eat more while losing weight, and including carbs? And it can be easily done by increasing volume of food through adding more veggies and fruit, which is a high water content and fiber containing food to help you feel full, and it's also low in calories. No, I don't mean to eat veggies like a bunny all day. Personally don't like raw vegetables or salads most of the time. 95% of the time, my veggies are always cooked, and that's the way I prefer them. So, an easy way to bulk up your meals with veggies is by adding cauliflower rice to regular rice or spiralized veggies to pastas like spaghetti or fettuccine. I get frozen cauliflower rice and microwave it for a few minutes and add it to my regular white rice. It blends really well together and adds a lot of volume and fiber without adding much flavor. I love rice and wouldn't recommend just going 100% cauliflower rice. For pasta, I use a veggie peeler and make ribbon strips out of zucchini to add to pasta, or I buy frozen pre-spiralized veggies. They easily soak up in pasta sauces and are fun to eat. PC and Green Giant have frozen spiralized veggies like zucchini, spaghetti squash, and beets. Have you tried any of these food spots for lunches or dinners? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel to get notified when I post a new video every Thursday.